Welcome back to Auto Paradise, your go-to destination for the latest and greatest in the automotive and motorcycle world. Today, we're diving into a bike that's sure to excite both seasoned riders and newcomers alike, the 2025 Kawasaki KLX300. Cut to the host in front of the bike, smiling and excited. Hey everyone, I'm host's name, and today on Auto Paradise, we're taking a closer look at the all-new 2025 Kawasaki KLX300. This bike is an absolute gem, designed for those who crave both adventure and performance. If you've been on the hunt for a lightweight, yet powerful dual-sport bike, stick around because this is one you won't want to miss. Camera zooms in on the bike's details: frame, tires, suspension. Whether you're a dirt bike enthusiast or just getting into off-roading, the Kawasaki KLX300 is built to handle it all. From technical trails to scenic mountain roads, this motorcycle offers versatility, reliability, and an exhilarating riding experience. Segment 1. Design and build. Camera pans slowly around the bike, showcasing its frame, seat, and tires. Let's start with the design. The 2025 KLX300 boasts a rugged, muscular frame that's built to withstand tough conditions. Kawasaki has always been known for durable builds, and this bike is no exception. The lightweight yet sturdy frame is perfect for off-road enthusiasts. It's built to be nimble on the trails, but don't let that fool you. The KLX300 is also tough enough for some serious dirt action. Cut to close-ups of the handlebars, grips, and digital dashboard. Up front, we've got a set of high-performance handlebars that offer a solid grip, and Kawasaki's modern digital display keeps all your critical information front and center. The KLX300 is designed for easy control, ensuring that riders of all skill levels can enjoy its capabilities. Segment 2. Engine and performance. Cut to the bike riding through dirt trails, showcasing its power and agility. Under the hood, the 2025 KLX300 is powered by a 292cc liquid-cooled, fuel-injected engine that's just the right size for both beginners and more experienced riders. This engine delivers a perfect balance of power and efficiency, making sure you get both torque for tough trails and smooth power for longer rides. With a 6-speed transmission, the KLX300 excels at both low-end torque for technical sections and high-end performance for open terrain. This bike is built to take on various riding styles, whether you're tackling steep hills, muddy paths, or cruising through dirt roads. And let's not forget the exhaust. Kawasaki has designed the exhaust system to optimize power while keeping the sound level just right. Not too loud, but enough to give you that satisfying roar when you twist the throttle. Segment 3. Suspension and handling. The bike is seen jumping off a small ramp and landing smoothly on uneven terrain. Now, one of the standout features of the 2025 KLX300 is its suspension. Kawasaki equipped this bike with long travel suspension that's perfect for absorbing bumps and shocks. The 43mm inverted fork and uni-track rear shock work together to provide incredible handling, giving you confidence when navigating rough terrain. It's all about control. Whether you're hitting trails at full throttle or taking it slow on uneven paths, the KLX300 maintains excellent stability. And with a seat height that's not too high, you're able to plant your feet when necessary, making it easier for less experienced riders to stay balanced. Segment 4. Comfort and ergonomics. Camera shows the rider sitting on the bike, adjusting position. Comfort is key when it comes to long rides, and Kawasaki has designed the KLX300 with that in mind. The seat is comfortable for extended periods of use, while the ergonomic design ensures that your body remains in a natural position, reducing fatigue on those longer adventures. Plus, the handlebars are adjustable, giving you more customization options to fit your riding style. This is a bike that adapts to you, not the other way around. Segment 5. Technology and features. Close-ups of the digital display and other tech features. The 2025 KLX300 also comes equipped with some pretty impressive technology. The digital display includes everything you need, like speed, gear position, and trip information, so you're always in the know. Plus, the fuel injection system ensures that the bike runs smoothly in all conditions, making starting easier, even on colder mornings. Segment 6. Pricing and availability. Camera cuts to the bike in a scenic outdoor location. So, how much is all this going to cost? The 2025 Kawasaki KLX300 comes in at a very reasonable price point for what you're getting. While prices may vary depending on your location and any additional accessories you choose, the KLX300 is positioned as a solid mid-range bike that's built to give you top-notch performance without breaking the bank. Narrator voiceover. It's the perfect option for anyone looking for a bike that combines performance, versatility, and affordability. Closing segment. Camera pans out to show the bike in a stunning sunset backdrop. And there you have it, the 2025 Kawasaki KLX300, a fantastic dual-sport bike that delivers the power, agility, and comfort you need to conquer any trail or road. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned rider, this bike offers something for everyone. Thanks for tuning into Auto Paradise. If you enjoyed today's review, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content on all things automotive and motorcycle. Drop a comment below and let us know what you think of the KLX300 or if there's another bike you'd like us to check out next. Cut to end screen with the channel's logo and social media handles. We'll catch you next time on Auto Paradise. Outro music plays as the video fades out. This script is a comprehensive overview, covering the major features and highlights of the 2025 Kawasaki KLX300 in a style suitable for a YouTube channel like Auto Paradise. The length can be expanded as needed, but this format will keep it engaging and concise for viewers.